Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119. So, at the end of the day, ate dinner, got a call from Scott over at Penta. He's the e-commerce manager. He's the one that I always send my customers to order tubes from direct, and then they drop ship them to me. So he told me he wants me to become a distributor. I guess their company wants me to become a distributor, so I'm really, really excited about that. So now I can give my customers a great deal on tubes. So I just go through so many tubes here. There are like 10 of them from, I'd say, it's like 6 or 7 work days worth of tubes. And that's just the 3 500Zs. And there's a pile of 572s behind the 6-meter amplifier. So, I'll tell you, when I first started dealing with Penta, I talked to Steve. He's the CEO over there. Really, really nice guy. And he answered a whole bunch of questions for me and stuff, and he promised me that he would take care of me and that Scott and the other employees there would treat me well, treat my customers well, and that's all I asked for, so they kept their word, and that's why I sent people there. It's not just that, the fact that their tubes work, I don't have problems with them. If I work on an amplifier and I put a tube in and it flashes or fails prematurely while I'm testing it, then damage can occur to the amplifier. Or even worse, it goes to the customer and then had an issue, then it's going to make me look bad, it's going to make them look bad, but they have great tubes. I don't have any problems with them. I run the amplifiers within their specifications. I always tell the customers, how to run them. I say go by the manual. The manual states the total amount of output, the max amount of grid current, all that stuff. You go by all that, you're good to go. So I don't have any issues with any of the tubes. Just awesome company. So just very, very excited about that. And, just wanted to share that with you guys really quick. So that's what's going on. So please don't call and ask for me to sell tubes. I'm not going to be doing that really. It's just I'm so swamped with amplifier repairs. I'm not in the business of selling tubes. It's just not my thing. So, but my customers will end up getting a great deal on tube. So thanks for watching. Website is amprepairguy.com, and be sure to check out my reviews page. I have a couple pages on here if you're curious. I've never pointed this out before. I stopped at 2 pages. I mean, if you go on there, go on amprepairguy.com and then click on the tab on the left that says reviews, and then there's one after that says more reviews. These are all from licensed ham radio operators. So they just go on and on and on. But it's kind of a pain to update my site, so like I said, I figured 2 pages is good enough, and sometimes people ask if I can put it on there, and I'll go ahead and put it on. But so that's that. So thanks for watching. Have a great night. amprepairguy.com, and please like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it.